How to download Jump Force in PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Jump Force in your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for people that do not know what Jump Force is a crossover fighting game. Here you can just fight using different anime characters, as you can see right here in the picture as well. So yeah, if you ever want to download this game and play, this is how you do it. The first step is you will need to open up your web browser and simply search for Jump Force. After you search for it, you will see the Bandai Namco official website, and just open that website up. After you open that website up, you should be getting a lot of options here. So yeah, let it completely load. And after you do that, you can simply scroll down, and there you should be getting the previews for the game. And after you scroll down for a bit, you will see the download section. There you will see available now, and now you'll need to select the edition. So just choose the edition. I'll just select the standard one and then choose a platform. Now if you're on a PC, simply choose PC and then select a retailer. Tap on buy now option and it will redirect you to another page. After it redirects you, now since it's not in my region, it will not take me to the website. So after you tap on buy now, it will take you to another website, or it will simply open up Steam where you can download this game. And that's how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.